Hey, what's up everybody? It's Isaac Ramirez coming to you with the word of the day. Now today's word of the day is contingencies. Like always, I'm gonna give you a moment to GTS it, which is Google that stuff and take a look at the legal definition, and then I will give you my spin on it. So go ahead and Google it and I'll shut up. That should have been plenty of time for you to get it done. Contingencies in the form of real estate. So when buyers are making an offer, a contingency that they have in their favor is that if any unwanted events or unexpected things were to occur while they are in escrow, that means that the seller accepted their offer, you guys agreed to terms, and you're in escrow, a buyer has a set number of days that they have at their disposal that in the event they were to discover something, I don't know, like rats inside of a house, and they may be deathly scared of rats, that they have the ability to withdraw their offer without any penalty and get their earnest money back as long as they never remove contingencies. So simply put, contingencies are a way out after an offer is accepted, that in the event something you didn't expect was to occur, that you could safely withdraw. Now I know it sucks as a seller to have a buyer cancel in the middle of escrow. Think about it. You just entered a contract, you think you're gonna get a big chunk of change. This is what you could do to help yourself and help eliminate that possibility of happening by making sure you hire a smart professional real estate professional to go through the property, and maybe even some, I don't know, inspectors to make sure your house is ready to enter the market. So just a quick tip there. But as a buyer, please understand that if you were to put an offer on a property, it is in your best interest to make sure that you give a good visual walk down of the property and make sure that you kind of, ensure that the property you're making an offer on does not have rats. I mean, it's not like you can see them as much, but there are signs. Anyhow, enough of the rats. It could be mice, it could be bats, it could be whatever the case is. During your inspection period, in the event you find something you don't like, you can safely withdraw. It's just that you're going to be out of pocket for anything like an appraisal, home inspection, pest inspection, roof inspection, or any inspections you did. That's a cost that you incurred. But for the most part, you can get your earnest money deposit back as long as you did a removal. All right, so that's the word of the day. Hope you enjoyed it, and take care.